So, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a very interesting coding question based on square triples, also known as Pythagorean triples. The question, we are given a number n and we need to count how many order triples ABC satisfy the condition. That is, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Also, a square plus b is equal to c square. Okay, and also the value of a b c must lie between 1 and n. Also, write the solution inside the solution class because platform like Leetcode automatically call the function this way. So let's start with the line by line explanation. Okay, so in line number one, that is import math, we import the math library because we need to calculate square root. It will help us check if a square plus b square is equal to perfect square. That is in the line number three, that is class solution. Here we create a class name solution because platform like lead code calls our function using this class. This avoid the name error we saw earlier. In line number 4, that is diff count triples self comma n, here we define a function count triples that takes n as an input. This function will return the total number of square triples. In line number 5, that is count is equal to 0, we initialize a counter to 0 every time we find a valid triples, that is a comma b comma c, we increase this count. Okay, in line number 6, that is for a in range a comma n plus 1, here we start looping over all possible value of a from 1 to n. In line number 7, that is for b in range 1 comma n plus 1, here, for each value of a, we loop over all possible value of b. This give also a means order pair, that is a comma b, that is a comma b. For example, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 6 comma 8, and 8 comma 6. So in line number 8, that is c square is equal to a into a plus b into b. Here we calculate, that is c square is equal to a square plus b square. Also the c square is equal to a square plus b square. So if this value is perfect square, then a valid c exists. In line number 9, that is c is equal to int math dot square c square, that is hashtag also say for n less than is equal to 250. Okay, so here we find the integer square root of c square. This gives also a candidate value of c. For example, if c square is equal to 25, then a square root of 25 is what? 5, that is valid. But if c square is equal to 26, that means the square root of 26 is what? Approx value of like 5.099, that is not valid. Okay, so in line number 10, here we check a condition, that is if c is less than is equal to n and c into c is equal to c square. Here we check two conditions. C must be within the range of 1 to n, and also c square must exactly is equal to a square plus b square. This ensure what? C is a perfect square. Only then do we have a valid square triple. In line number 11, that is count plus is equal to 1, here we, if both conditions are true, okay, we increase our answer by 1, and also we are counting order triples. So 3 comma 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 3 comma 5 are counted separately, so exactly as the problem wants. Okay, so in line number 12, that is return counts, here we finalize the return the total number of valid square triples. Okay, so basically this problem is also a easy type problem, but here the sometime it's taken some what algorithm problem. Okay, so that's it from today. You just learn how to generate and count all the square triples up to a given number n. So if you find this explanation helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and comment your doubt. below. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding. Have a good day. Bye bye.